Rusty, you've got that driver you were telling about. What's wrong with it?
Jim, I'm not sure. The sucker just doesn't feel right.
So it's not feeling solid through impact?
Yeah, something.
Let me take a look at it.
I'm not sure.
Take a look at it. I don't see any cracks in it. Go ahead and hit it one time for me.
Man.
Go ahead. You know, not the most expensive clubs are the best. Put your normal swing on it. Go ahead. Oh, Jesus! What happened? That's the inside of a Callaway. I guess the whole thing shattered.
Oh, I'm glad that didn't happen on the golf course.
Oh, that could have killed somebody. Okay, so folks out there, make sure if your club's not feeling or sounding well, bring it into Loudon Golf. We'll inspect it. But that one, I thought there might have been a crack in the face. The whole body was cracked, separated.
Came right apart.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Look at that.
You know that I didn't ever realize it was a two-piece molded.
Look at that.